Hello, what are you doing here? Didn't see you there. Well, seems you're here. You may as well stick around because I'm back out on another wild camp. And if you stick around, you might just get to see some more cheesy shots like that. Just waiting in the Haweswater Hotel now, next to, you might have guessed it, Haweswater. Just waiting for a friend to turn up because he's still on the M6. Just come down after work and we're planning to go on a wild camp. So yeah, the plan is basically gonna head out from here, which is the Haweswater Hotel, drive down to the bottom where Mardale Head car park is, and there's a well-known tracks that leads up towards like the Nambiel Pass and stuff like that, but because I don't know if you can see on the video yet, I'll show you in a minute, but the weather today is pretty awful. So it's maybe 40 on the tops and it's just shrouded in mist, even down to like 300 meters or so there's not a lot of point in actually sort of going up high. So we're just going to stay on stay low on this one and sort of skirt along the banks of Haweswater and then just try and find a spot. I think I've earmarked maybe one or two as it is, so then we're just gonna go from there basically. But the weather's been, you can't see it, the weather's been atrocious on the drive up, so yeah, it could be fun and games because it's going to be like this all night and then overnight. So yeah, just gonna see how it goes. Just enjoying the beer for now. Yeah, just for confirmation, down there, look, you can see towards, it's Harter Fell and towards the Nambiel Passway, and it's just absolutely shrouded, and that's low down, so it's a no on that front today. Just waiting for a mate. Just got to our location for the evening. Had to wade through some fences and stuff, some long grass. Well, it wasn't too bad, but a couple of dodgy fences, and other than that, it was alright. Got a bit wet on the way in, but nothing the waterproofs can't solve. So we're just coming down to have a look at this view now while Liam finishes setting up there. Got a bit of a lovely view here. Weather's cleared up a little bit as well. It's quite peaceful here now with a little bit out the wind. So I'm just hoping that doesn't bring with it all the all the flying things and creatures and stuff. But yeah, it's not really anyone about, so got the place to ourselves. What a way to spend a Friday evening. Cheers. couldn't be further from the neon jungle, but it'll do. Gotta love the atmospheric type camps or walks you do. So it has a bit of a different vibe to it. It's quite moody. There's absolutely no noise pollution or nothing. It's just a few birds and stuff. You can't hear them. And sea lemon is bright orange a mile away. Selection of beers thereof. Cannonsies in his wild country. All set up for the evening. Superb. I'm gonna have a bit of an investigate. Just having a look over here. So this is the opposite way, so this is towards the Nambiel Pass. Towards Heart of Fell. So Heart of Fell will be that one there in the mist. It comes round towards Mardale Hill Bell. Just up towards the Nambiel Pass. But yeah, see, the decision to not go high today has been well and truly justified. When you look at it there, the way is shut. It was made by those who are dead, and the dead keep it. That's the pass through to come into here. That's why we nearly missed this little bit, but just found a little way around the side just here. But yeah, it's took a bit of battling to get in here. A couple of fences and stuff. You can just see over yonder, all the fells are shrouded, so there's not a lot. Yeah, there's not a lot of point in going up basically, because you're not going to see anything. So sometimes when you haven't got any other option, you can see. This is the bottom end of Haweswater. That there's just over there's the rig. It's a plantation. The road just runs along that side, and then up towards there is Heart of Fell, which looks down across the entire of Haweswater. But there's not really anyone about today, so it's quite a nice day to be out. This sort of moody type of atmosphere, like clouds completely coming in and just shrouding us now. Tents are just down the other side behind you. Welcome to Camp Haweswater. Took me waterproof off though, and it's not cold at all, but it is raining. Like, it's drizzle consistent. I think that's what's quite good about it. It's quite atmospheric. It's nice. You dry out as fast as you get wet. Just got to battle through the bush. I'm gonna chill now for a bit. Everything's set up, so it's just that nice time now when you just relax. Just enjoy, eh? Just enjoy. Told you it was worth coming. Look at that. Come on, let's have a little look around the corner. Let's have a little look around this corner, see what we've got here. Nice little solo in green. And a Helm Country 1. Wild Country, whatever it is. Helm 1. What a view. Nice summer weather. Summer weather for a summer beer. Not. It just got soaked. The rain just gone off as soon as we got in. There he is. Cannonsy.
An earthquake test, was it?
Sure was. not looking as it's not looking quite as bad this morning. It's still quite misty. It hasn't really stopped raining at all. We're in like a little delve, a drop, so we haven't had any wind really for us, but up there there's you can hear it howling and stuff like that. It's been quite blusty over the top, so a lot of these trees are sort of falling a bit, so I thought I had one fall. Jordan, I think, but probably never, it's probably something else. Couple of widow makers there. So we just sat round for a bit, just chatting really. Probably about an hour and a half maybe. Just chilling, just having a talk and that. Just taking our tents down now. And then we've got just a walk back along here. The car park's just behind this bunch of trees here. So we're just gonna walk back now, so I think I'll leave it there. And I'll say bye for now.